Hello everyone. So today we have a next question that is about to write a Python program that can take a positive integer greater than 2 as input and write out the number of times one must repeatedly divide this number by 2 before getting a value less than 2. So first of all we need to understand this problem, right? So if you don't understand, please read this twice. And now let's implement this, and we need positive integer greater than 2, right? And write out the number of times one must repeatedly divide this number by 2 before getting a value less than 2. So for this we need a while loop. First we need to take an integer from the user, right? It would be a number equal to input integer enter positive number, right? So next we need a count variable. We initialize this to 0, and next we need a while loop, so it will loop through until the division becomes less than 2. So here until the number is greater than 2, it will continue the loop until the number is less than 2, right? So now we need to apply our logic here. So first we need to divide that number by 2, right? So number is equal to number divided by 2, right? And in each iteration we have to increment our count. So plus equals 1, right? So let's see is this working or not. Print count. Oh, actually we got a mistake here. We need to put this before. Okay, so let me handle this. I think we have solved this. Yes. So we need to check the number 10. It is divided by 3 times. It needs to divide 3 times, then it will be less than 2. So when we divide 10 by 2, we have 5 by 2, 2.5, and then we have 1.7 something. So we should divide this 1 time, 2 time, and 3 times. Yes, so this is working correctly. So see you in the next video.